Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys. Hope you are all on behalf of Mastech BD based and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video top 5 Windows Microsoft Word in tips and tricks. And before starting the video, I would like to say those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share and another friend circle. So great your motivation this video comment inshallah. So we start the video without delay. Stay with me. So function number 1 and top 5 Windows and Microsoft Word in tips and tricks. Function number 1, delete one word and control backspace. Okay, this is the word and cursor the right and control plus backspace. Control plus backspace totally one by one and word remove. Control backspace one by one and word and remove. Okay, totally delete. Okay, the control Z one by one and word and in current place. Okay, the function number 2, find the replace control S. Replace. Okay, control plus S. Control plus S replace. Okay, replace in the suppose the and find the replace. Okay, replace the Windows, the find the an option, replace the and okay, all replace. Okay, all replace the close option, the close option that okay, this is the find the option, all control plus and S replace the option. Okay, the replace. Okay, this is the replace the window. Okay, this is the control plus S. The function number 3, go to the specific page, control plus G, control plus P, enter in page number. Okay, the control plus page number in showing the end section, line and bookmark and comment and footnote in the function number and page number. Okay, this is the function number 3. And function number 4, create a blank page, the control plus and the press the keyboard and new to the open your current or new page open in the control plus and. Okay, this is the function number 4. The function number 5, 4, the function number 5, create a page backspace, control plus enter, control plus enter page and automatically control plus and new to and page, current page and one by one press and highlighter. Okay, this is the function number 5. Then okay, function number 5, the top 5 Windows and Microsoft Word in tips and tricks inshallah. So friends, no more today. Those who are still subscribe my channel, subscribe very quickly and bell icon the button. Please stay with and kinds of new video inshallah. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.